Mm.
I'll share with you a customer expectation and tell me why you think customers expect that from a laundry shop. Okay, so ito mga customer expectations sa shop. Sa laundry shop particular, excuse me. And I'd like to ask you kung bakit kaya ine-expect ng customer. Okay, are you
Okay.
ready? Okay,
Yes po.
ready. The first expectation is that dapat yung shop malinis, maganda, maayos dito. Why do you think that would be an expectation from a customer?
Kasi it's a cleaning services shop. You offer a cleaning services. Technically, yun nga po, you're offering a cleaning services with a focus po sa with the clothes.
All right.
So it's really expected na you have to have a clean and neat and organized shop.
Correct, exactly. So the reason a laundry shop is a cleaning shop, as you have mentioned, it should look, feel, smell clean. Maka, good answer. Here's another expectation. Friendly and approachable staff. Why?
Um, Kasi I think lang po kaya nga po sila nagpapa-service po is to give solution to their current problem po. So kung ang staff is hindi po maayos, eh bibigyan po sila ng stress, mafu-frustrate, ma-disappoint. Kaya nga po sila nagpa-laundry because they want it for others na ipagawa na sa kanila kasi hindi na nila kaya on their own. So,
Exactly.
parang mas maganda po na parang like to distress lang ba is to like have a stop yung paano i-approach ni staff yung customer is yung friendly and approachable also.
All right. Very good. No, tama. Tama. You have the right idea. Customers want to feel welcome. They want to feel comfortable, at ease. Nandoon yung convenience, di ba? Kasi nga, pagawa na nga yung laundry nila sa'yo, di ba? So they want to
Mm.
be assured that you know what you're doing. You can even give me tips on how to do my laundry better, mga things like that. That's why it's very important na friendly and approachable ang staff. So good answer again. Number three, laundry looks clean, smells clean, feels clean. Why is that an expectation by the customer?
Kasi again, it's cleaning shop. So, 'di ba pag malinis ka, ibig sabihin mabango ka and ayun, kasi pag 'di ba pag malinis, parang associated siya sa mabango,
Yeah.
parang ganon if you're talking about in terms of psychology. So parang mas nakaka-ease siya sa nakaka-distress din siya somehow.
All
'Di
right.
ba po? Lalo na po kung like yung mga makukuting tao, they really wanted it to clean. Kasi when we say clean, parang nagkakaroon tayo ng peace of mind na we're safe in terms of like yung sa mga bacteria, mga something like that po.
No? So why is it important? Customers expect quality laundry service. No? They want to use clean,
Mhm.
fresh, and good smelling laundry. So tama ka, no? So in other words, kaya nga sila nagpapa-laundry because they want to make sure na tama ang laba, professionally done, ma-restore ng mabuti yung kanilang mga clothes, di ba? So that's why it's very important that we actually make sure that the clothes are clean, smelling good, and feeling fresh. Diba? So what about good folding? Why is it expected from a laundry shop na good ang folding?
Um, Kasi it feels like more of organized po, 'di ba? Parang organized siya, parang hindi siya masakit sa mata. Kasi parang when you're unorganized, it also gives you a good peace of mind. Kasi 'di ba like for example ako sir, um when I do my laundry, ang pinaka-kalaban ko is yung pag-fold, especially that I don't know ano yung tamang pag-fold. So
Folding.
parang it gives me like an ear feeling po if it's not like maganda yung pag-fold ko, yung paglagay ko sa cabinet ko. Kasi sa paglalagay ko po sa cabinet ko, yung pag-fold ko kailangan by color, kailangan by type po siya kung working clothes, gym clothes, and everything po. Parang again, it's like more of sa personality din po ng person po. So parang it's more like of a peace of mind.
True. So, good folding expected because it offers convenience, di ba? Convenient to store, it looks neat, customers do not have to refold the item, di ba? So, lalo na kung nagustuhan talaga ni customer the way you fold it, na tipong i-adapt niya na yung folding techniques na yon or preferred niya na yung way of folding ng shop mo. So, again, di ba? Pag yung kabilang shop, hindi ganon, at ikaw ay mas gusto niya yung folding mo, that alone can be a very competitive advantage, no? Na tipong, ay, ayoko sa inyo, dito ako sa kabila, hindi nyo na-fold ng katulad ng pag-fold nila. Diba? So that may be a small thing, but it's a big thing for our customers. It's a big thing for your competitive advantage. No? Ito pa isa, one last, good packaging. So pag na-fold, pinapack, why do they expect it to be packed well? What's your idea?
Again, parang it's more of like a branding. And balik tayo dun sa word na organization. Parang kumbaga, kung sa hotel pa, like it's a five hotel experience, hindi siya putyo-putyo. So parang it's like more of a satisfaction, no? Like it's more like of a brand, no? Na parang kung ako yung customer, thank you so much for taking care of my
Laundry.
clothes.
Yes. Ay, tama, no? So, it completes the laundry service experience. Tama ka, parang branding, no? Tinatakan mo na looks good, attractive when picked up by the customers. And it also helps promote your shop. Kasi lalo na kung merong tatak yung packaging mo, or let's say they are using yung mga non-woven bags na may tatak ng shop mo, right? So laundry bags na may tatak ng shop mo. Then when they carry it around, it's looking so nice, it also attracts other potential customers. So parang free advertisement pa siya. No? So
Mm.
that's why good packaging is also an expectation among many other things. Kasi marami talagang ine-expect ang mga customers sa laundry shop. Iba-ibang tao, iba-iba ang expectations. However,